we are telling National Cereals and Produce Board, do not delay, because you know, if you follow the supply chain properly, you know, munajua, which consignment was brought in by who out of this fertilizer. Musizungushe watu kwa muda mrefu, because you know. And as Arion said, let us make sure that the law follows these people so that they are charged in a court of law and prosecuted, so that they don't bring messes in the food security area.
There are cartels in agriculture who the devil is using to mess up with us, and we are going. We were almost beating the idea of people carrying sufurias for lack of food, and they want to mess us by bringing in very dirty mbolea to ensure that we don't harvest food vizuri, to make sure that our economy is taken aback. So those kind of people, we ask you, PCS, President, Deputy President, sit down. The cartels must go to jail.
If we know those cartels, let us deal with them, because if we don't do it again, we can't leave everything to His Excellency and the leadership above. Let's also manage from level.
Na tungeomba, kwa sababu najua hii ni serikali yetu, ya kwamba wale wahalifu wote, hata kanisa, nilikuwa naona the core values of the church. One of them is the accountability. Your Excellency, watu wetu wa ofisi waachipike, na wasipoachipika wang'olewe.
Aya, na hau niho tugukorwo tukioya kamwe kigago ikiria ndugathie haraya.